how to find employees on Indeed. So you want to be on the Indeed for Employers website, not the one for job seekers. Really easy to switch. Come here, click on your profile if you're on the job seeker one. Profile, click on Visit Indeed for Employers, okay? Really easy. So now what you're going to do is click on Find Candidates from the top menu. And once this loads up, I'm going to show you exactly what we need to do. It's loading this page up. And here, what we'll do is we will search for certain keywords. So click on Search Candidates. You can choose a location. For me, it has to be remote, so I will not put any location whatsoever. If you don't put any location, it will be remote. Okay? Now I'm going to search for a keyword. I need thumbnail creators, thumbnail designers. So search thumbnail designer. For my videos, I need them. So come here. And now we will see a bunch of thumbnail designers. So it has found 561 resumes that match my criteria. So I don't really need someone to have an education as long as they can do the job, they have the skill. But if you need that, you can go ahead and see their education as well, when they were last active. And if you want people who are ready to work right now, maybe for example, they don't have to give a notice period. Click on Ready to Work Now. If you need them to have specific skills, you can select them right here as well. Okay, and when the resume was last updated, you go ahead and see specific job titles if you want freelancers as well. What working experience you want them to have. I'm okay with them having, let's say, 1 to 2 years of experience. You can choose that as well. That will really narrow things down. So right now, I will only have a pool of a few people, 36 resumes. For example, I want to contact this person. What do? Just come here, click on message. Okay, really easy and simple. You can directly contact them if you're a recruiter. Just click on message, just click on get started right here. And I will be able to message this person on Indeed. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.